welcome back to another simple vegan recipe. And today we're gonna do a vegan Parmesan with turmeric, black pepper, and garlic powder. We have our nutritional yeast flakes, and we also have on this side, we have walnuts and cashews, raw cashews, finely grinded. This is half a cup of walnuts and raw cashew. The mixing is done, and guys, this tastes so good. What I'm gonna do is that you can put it on your popcorn, you can put it in your salads, you can put it on most of your dishes, your pasta, or whatever dish you're comfortable and you love to put Parmesan on, you can just drop it on there. So I'm gonna put it on some popcorn. Okay guys, so I've sprinkled some on my popcorn and I'm gonna have this right now. And as I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.